Hey dolls and gents, y'all are in for a treat today. I finally got my hands on one of these kinky edge wigs. Shout out to Ilikehair for sponsoring today's video. I am rocking Ilikehair's Hyperrealism Kinky Edge HD Lace Frontal Ventilated Wig, and y'all, this is my hair. That's what I'm going to be telling everyone because it looks so freaking natural. I will leave a link down below with any coupon codes that I have in the description box, and let's get into this wig install. So my wig came in this gorgeous drawstring bag, and I like the material on this one. It also came with this rat tail comb, wig cap, and this goodie bag of items that you can use to lay your wig. And here's the texture of the hair after I washed it. I did go ahead and bleach the knots. And can we get into this natural kinky edge hairline? I also tinted the lace in the front so that it would match my natural hairline. So it does have wig combs on the inside, 3 on the top, 1 in the back, and it has adjustable straps. Let's go ahead and throw this wig on, and then I'm going to make sure that I fit it nice and secure in the back, and then I'm going to check the sides just to make sure that they line up. As I've mentioned before, this is one of the most important steps because you want to make sure that that hairline matches as flawlessly as possible with your natural hairline, and you want to make sure that those ear tabs are lined up because if you get it wrong the first time, then the wig is just going to look like that every time you install it. So here's a close-up of the kinky edge hairline, and y'all, it looks so freaking realistic. It is insane how technology has gotten so much better on wigs since I first started wearing them. So I'm gonna go ahead and clip the hair out the way, and then we're gonna cut those ear tabs. So I'm cutting that area, making sure that I get it nice around my ears so that it can sit flat on my hairline, and then I'm doing the other side the same exact way. Next, I'm going to cut the entire hairline, and I'm going in a zigzag motion to give a more natural hairline look. If you just cut it straight across, it's gonna look so obvious. So try to really get it to match with your natural hairline because no one's hairline is straight across their head like a moon. So just match it as close as possible to your natural hairline. So here's a close-up of the HD lace as well as the kinky edges before I laid the lace down on my head, and it does look a lot more natural and seamless than the traditional edges on lace front wigs. I'm using my Ben Wonder Lace spray and the yellow can to lay my lace today, and this gives me a seamless hold, but it's more flexible than using just lace adhesive, and I can just take my wig on and off as I please, which I absolutely love doing. It is so easy to apply your wig with this lace spray, so if you don't have it, you definitely need it. If you don't have it, sis, where have you been? This has been out for a minute, but it is a bomb lace wig spray, and y'all, do you see? That wig is literally just melting into my skin, and because of those kinky edges, it really does look like it's my hair. That's why I'm saying this is my hair, honey. This ain't a wig. I mean, I know y'all saw me put it on, but this is my hair. Shh, don't tell anybody. It's our little secret, but I'm putting y'all on. You need this wig in your life. Do y'all see this? Like, look, it's literally just melting into my skin, and it looks so freaking realistic. I wish that my hair was this thick, so the fact that I can get this natural look from this wig, I am obsessed with it right now. So here's another look at that hairline with the kinky edges. Do y'all see it? Woo! Looks so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull the hair up and clip it out of my face. That way we can go ahead and put on the elastic band and melt that lace a little bit further. And I am going to do my makeup, and we will be right back. Let's get into this face though. If you like this look, give this video a thumbs up, y'all. I really wasn't going for this makeup look when I started doing my makeup, but it just turned out like this and I'm here for it. But anyways, I went ahead and I did my face and pulled the hair down, and y'all, look at it. It looks like it is growing out of my scalp, y'all. I wish my hair was this dang thick. If it was, I would not wear a wig, okay? So this frontal does have a freestyle parting, so you can literally part it everywhere on the frontal. It is a 13x4 frontal, so you can go 4 inches back in the middle, and you can also part it on the sides. It's giving scalp. I do not have on a bald cap. I just have a wig cap on underneath, just a regular one, and it still looks really good. So you don't have to do a bald cap for a natural look. That middle parting was looking kind of cute, so let's go ahead and do a middle parting with this look. So I'm gonna get it as straight as I possibly can, and then we're gonna go in with the edge stick. Y'all know I love my edge stick. I use it in pretty much every wig install that I do because it gives me a flat look at the top, which we all love. That's gonna give you that seamless look. And this hair is super full and big, so it definitely needs some taming at the top. So I'm gonna go in with the hot comb now and get it nice and sleek up top on both sides. So you could definitely leave the hair in its natural texture. It's a vibe, but I wanted to go for I just got my natural hair blown out silk press type vibe, but I still got a little texture. I don't know if that's making sense, sis, but that's what I'm going for. So I am going to flat iron the hair, and let's speed this up because I know y'all don't want to see me straighten the hair this whole time.
I'm needing a new chapter, babe. Been stuck here in a bed for days. I've been staring at the telephone, cause when you're gone, I miss your face. Late o'clock, body talk, there's no need to bring it up. Nothing you say makes it better. Wrecking ball, tear apart, issues left behind, restart. Nothing you say makes it better. Hey, bring it right back to me, baby. No, we've been here before. Give me the real this time, no cap, no lies, it's our encore. Bring it right back to me, baby. I know my heart wants more. Give me the good this time, no cap, no lies, it's our encore. I never wanna give you up. I know we've been through way too much, but I'm confident we'll make it through. I'm here for you, you're not by yourself.
So now that we straightened the hair, you can see a difference. It's a little bit more thick on the left hand side, but the right side still does have texture even though it was straightened. Honestly, either way is bomb. If you want a more full look, then keep it in its natural texture. Let's go ahead and do that second side. Yes, ma'am. Whole head is done now. Cute. Okay. I'm feeling myself clearly. But this hair is so bomb, y'all. Look at it. Looks like freshly pressed hair, but let's go ahead and throw some layers into this wig real quick. So I wanted to add some face framing layers, just some light layers in the front half of the wig in front of my ears. So my ears and in front, if that makes any sense. So yeah, it's about half the wig, just the front half of the wig that I did layers. So the layers turned out super cute, as you can see. I love it. And the hair is still really nice and full, but it's still giving texture. And the sheen on that hair is perfect. It's not too shiny, but it's not dull either. I decided to go ahead and flip over the hair because I didn't want a middle parting today. And this is the final look, y'all. If you like this wig, definitely check the description box down below. I have a 25% off discount for y'all. You don't want to miss this wig. If you enjoyed this wig install video, definitely give it a big thumbs up, share it with all your friends, and I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye. By the way, if you have not watched my last video, what are you doing? Go ahead and click it right now, baby. I know you got time. You browsing these videos.